What's going on, boaters? Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. I'm standing on a fresh trade. You're going to want to check out 2025 Barletta Lusso 25 UCA, powered by Mercury 350 Verados with the JPO. I absolutely love the back of the boat because you have your pop-up bar here, huge swim deck in the back, and you also have two lily pad ladders on the port and the starboard side, so you can access this boat from either side. Also has the lounger layout, so you can configure this multiple different ways. Really good spot to hang out for the day. You have your lighted cup holders, chargers. Walking through, they also option this with the safety gate right here, so if you have young kids or pets, this is a very nice safety feature. Coming in, I want to show you the big storage that we have with this boat. In the ski locker here, you can fit everything that you want out for the lake on the day. Co-captain seat, you have a nice caddy here with a pop-up table. Going to the captain's seat, I love Barletta's elevated helm and the bolster seat on this boat, making it a very nice, comfortable spot to be driving all day. This is a powered arch and bimini on here, and the buttons for that are going to be right underneath the keys, make it very accessible and really easy to use. You have your Mercury joystick here with the skyhook and dual SIM rads on this boat. I love the Barletta's look at the helm right here because you can have your map, or if you want your engine instruments, there it is right there as well. There's only 10 hours on this boat, hardly used, very clean. Coming to the front, you have really nice long loungers with armrests. The cockpit table is already installed, really nice spot to put this. Also has a Phoenix trailer included with this boat. It just arrived at MarineMax Nisswa, so come check it out today.